everyone. Today we're going to show you how to make
Butterbeer!
Yes, that is right. Real Harry Potter butterbeer, just like the one that they have at Universal Studios in Florida. Now I know Florida is not close to everyone. We live in Florida, we can drive up to Universal just for the day, even if we wanted to. But I know that's an airplane ride, that's a hotel, that's a whole lot of stuff for most of you. So you don't have to go there to get it, you can make it right here in your home. It is so easy. So what you need, you're gonna need some heavy whipping cream. If you don't want to whip the cream, you can always go and buy regular pre-done whipped cream, Cool Whip, all that stuff. You need Sunday syrup, some butter, and of course...
Can I film?
What kind of Sunday syrup do you need?
Can I film? Smothers.
Yeah, you can film.
You can film.
You want to film it? Why not? Let's give you a try.
Butterscotch stuff.
Alright, cool.
Last but not least,
Now I get to be in it.
icy cold cream soda. If you can't find cream soda, you can use seltzer water or club soda instead, but this is bad. So, first thing we're gonna add is Sunday syrup.
Butterscotch flavored Sunday syrup.
Yes, butterscotch. So you need a quarter cup. Where it is? Regular reflection. Alright. Next, you need melted butter. So the recipe says to leave the butter out to room temperature to warm up, but I don't have time for that. I don't know about you guys, so we just popped it in the microwave for a little bit. So you're gonna pour the butter. Next, you need to use 8 ounces of cream soda. So you want to pour 8 ounces into our measuring cup. That's okay. There, that's good. No, that's too much. Can I trust you to pour this in the bowl? Mix those 3 up with the whisk. Alright, so you don't have to use pre-chilled cream soda. You can just make it cold with ice. But we found the first time we made this that the ice tends to water down the butterbeer. So if you want the true flavor, put your cream soda in the refrigerator for like a number of hours before. If not, just throw some ice cubes in there, it's so good. Next step, we have our whipped cream. So if you're following the true recipe, they want you to whip the cream by hand with a little whisk until it looks like this. So this comes as a liquid form. You have to take a whisk or a hand mixer, or I prefer this thing because it's super fast, and whip it until it looks something like this. You can also just go to the store and buy whipped cream or Cool Whip or something like that if you don't want to take all this time. But again, if you want the true flavor, you want to get this kind of whipping cream. I highly recommend using a mixer or a hand mixer, or this I think like an hour, like 1800 that. So we've got this, we've got our mixture, and now
I just noticed he drank all the soda.
Leo, I'm not gonna let you have any of this. It's too much sugar. That's so much sugar. So we are gonna pour our butterbeer soda into our cup. And finally, top it with your whipped cream. One more special step. Lots and lots, oh, way too much,
You said lots
of butterscotch frosting. Now you're gonna try?
At Universal, they always tell you to use a straw, so here you go. And they tell you to drink the bottom first.
I eat the top first.
Does it taste just like it tastes from Universal Studios?
100%.
Yes, we did it.
See? That's a win.
1% more than last.
All right. I think this is a win. So good. Butterbeer at home. Hit like and subscribe if you want to see more how-to videos from us.
And look who's recording.
Don't forget to press that like button and hit subscribe to see more McFour and more.